สบายดี Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, may I respect teacher, supervisor, and express the love to friends or the member that attends to listen the presenting the panel project this time. Today, I'm very pleased to be here to present the panel project to you. Well, my name is Nisai Thonkam, and my friend's name is Mr. Kantong Sanyasen. My supervisor, Mr. Noah Pranes, and my farmer, Mr. Sai Aroni. Today, I am very pleased to be here to present the mini project to you. Comparisons between spay hormone and no spay hormone on the use of egg fan. Introduction. Letter A. Israel. Israel is located in the Western Asia, on the southeastern shore of the Mediterranean Sea. Syrian border, Lebanon in the north, Syria in the northeast, Jordan on the east, and Egypt on the south. Israel has a population approximately 8.2 million. The area of Israel is 20,000 kilometers. The capital of Israel is Jerusalem, and the rank is Hebrew. B. Letter B. Arwa. The Arwa Center. The Arwa Center from the north to the south, there is only 70 kilometers. And in the Arwa Center, there are 8 mosab, such as Mosab Idan, Hasiwa, Injahaf, Spear, Sofa, Sukim, and Faran. The weather in Arwa is very hot. It's very hot. Okay. The project objective: to find out which varieties will give more yield between spay hormone and no-spay hormone. Methodology: the experiment is conducted in farm number 122 at the Tenel House condition, Mosab Hasiwa, Arwa, Israel. The names of varieties is Baradis, Eggfan. Each replication consists of 20 plants, so there were 40 experimental plants in each treatment. We grow 1,347 plants per dunam. The experiment have 2 rows, and there are 20 plants in each row, 50 cm between plants and 140 cm between rows. Plants were begins irrigated by deep irrigation at 7 m³ per day. The names of hormone that we spray Baradi Eggplant is Oracet. We spray when the flower will bloom. Oracet stimulate the eggplant no seed, price growth, and back color. The areas of the tiny house is 28 dunam. We started our project in the standing plan. The seeding were planted on 5 October 2013, and we collected the data from 25 of November 2013 to 20 of January 2014 for each time. The data record from plant when the eggplant ready to pick. Result and discussion. Feature 1. To show the productivity of the 2 difference between spay hormone and no-spay hormone of the eggplant. As I show you on the feature 1. The blue color means Baradi spay hormone, and the red color means Baradi no spray hormone. So the blue color is bigger and higher than red color. Figure 2. Comparison on the use of two varieties of the egg fan. Yield tones per dunam. Baradi spray hormone we get 4.9 tone and Baradi no spray hormone we get 3 tone. Conclusion. As shown in the figure 1 and figure 2, throughout the evolution, the use of spray hormone egg fan was bigger than no spray hormone, and spray hormone kept the productivity more than no spray hormone. So the farmer should select the variety Baradi spray hormone for earlier and higher. Economic experiment number of plants 20 kilo per 20, we get 73.7 total fuel number of egg fan 1347 kilogram per 1397, we get 4963.7 total 28 dunams. Average eggplant price to 3.28. Total incomes 100,000 and 55,000 866 Israel shekel. Round rings. We have a deep irrigation system and tunnel house and a pest control. Laos is an agriculture country in which about 70% economically active population are dependent on agriculture. The major staple crops of Laos is rice. From this experiment, I have no risks and many experience many things that should be back to Laos, such as farm management, soil disinfection before planting, and pest control. Growing crops in tiny house to prevent insects and temperature, and using deep irrigation was very interesting idea to bring back to modify using Lao. That's all. Thank you very much for attending to listen me.